In my video guide, I will give you instructions to get rid of installtrusted.com pop-up windows that now keep attacking many Mac computers. The pop-up displays pretty scary information that says virus found. It also says that immediate action is required. We have detected a Trojan virus on your Mac. Press OK to begin the repair process. If you click on OK, you will also see some other scary messages saying that your system is infected with 3 viruses and that you need to click on Scan Now immediately. After you click on Scan Now, you will then be told to download and install some software. By the way, I'm not going to show you what exact software is recommended in these scary alerts. You may do it on your own. However, we definitely condemn such a scary method of forcing people into downloading some software. Even if it is a decent software recommended in these pop-ups, you should disregard these scary messages, and I recommend that you carefully research your Mac computer and your Mac browsers. The occurrence of these pop-ups may be the result of some adware enabled in your Mac currently. So go to your available applications and delete any suspicious items that may be in place. Secondly, consider checking your browser extensions because they could also periodically display some misleading content. So click on More Tools, Extensions, then look for suspicious extensions, disable and delete them. I would also recommend you to clean your Mac, or to at least to check your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which is the powerful anti-malware cleaner. It will help you to detect and locate all other hidden threats in your Mac. So I recommend going to the page combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan to begin the complex investigation of your Mac. By the way, some features in Combo Cleaner are absolutely free. For example, Disk Cleaner, Big Files and Duplicates. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about your Mac computer. You may go to the antivirus section, click on Review Results, then the program will show you the exact location of specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon and remove this threat manually by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.